Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Wendy app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above settings, you click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, so you keep going down. So then you come here to display direction here, as you just click on, sorry, we will go back. So you just click in this sign here, then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you select here if you want to add string or number here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.